Hello there. Welcome to Restore with Jocey. Today, I have a short afternoon meditation to help you bring back balance to your body. First, get into a comfortable spot. You may stand up, sit down, or meditate on the move. Let's begin by releasing all the pressure your mind and body went through today. Now, let's take a nice, rejuvenating deep breath. Inhale and calmly exhale. Good. Imagine going through the vibrant flower fields, a perfect place to frolic and relax at the same time. Close your eyes and breathe in the fresh lavender smell while lifting your face towards the bright blue skies. It has been chilly out, but the sun is now beaming. The birds are serenading to us, stretching its wings and chirping away. And the stream is flowing, giving us clarity of where to go next. The natural flow of water is leading us into the forest. Surrounded by trees is a sign of relief. It purifies the air as we breathe. The nature's mist smells refreshing and revitalizing. The sunlight still forcing its way into the shades. And we have monarchs adding colors by fluttering into each speckle of sunlight. So, allow yourself to flow freely today, just like the leaves floating ever so gently down the stream, and the monarchs navigating their way to their next migration. This is the place to be, and the place to embark on your next journey. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead, filled with love, joy, and kindness.